Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, let's go through how to save a PowerPoint slide as an image. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on File. From there, select Export, and then choose Change File Type. Now, you'll see different file formats. Under Image File Types, you'll notice options like PNG and JPEG. JPEG is great for web quality images, but for better quality, I'm going with PNG. Next, click Save As and choose where you want to save the file. You can also give it a name to make it easy to find later. Here's another quick way to do it. When you're in the Save As window, click the little down arrow next to the file type. From the list of formats, select PNG and click Save. At this point, a new panel pops up, asking if you want to save all slides or just the current slide. If you want to save every slide, choose All Slides. But if you only need the one you're working on, select just this one. For now, I'll go with All Slides. After you hit OK, PowerPoint will save each slide as a separate image file. To check, you can go back to PowerPoint, click Insert, and then select Pictures. Choose this device, navigate to the folder where you saved the images, and open it. Now, select all the images and insert them into your presentation. Look at that, each slide has been beautifully converted into a picture. It's super easy and works perfectly. And that's it. You're all set to save your PowerPoint slides as images anytime you need. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.